Present your Amazon products in comparison tables and increase your Amazon affiliate sales. Comparison tables are a great way to help potential customers make an informed decision and click the buy button faster. AzonPress enables you to showcase similar products side by side, along with all the necessary information. To create a comparison table, go to your WordPress dashboard, followed by AzonPress from the sidebar. Click on Comparison Tables from the top bar, then hit on Add New Comparison Table button. Give your table a title. Now search for the products with keywords or designated ASIN number. Select the products you want to compare, then click on Create Table. Here is your selected products. If you want to add more, just click on Add Product. Let's update the setting and preview it. Here is our product comparison table. Now let's do some customizations to give this table an attractive look. You can customize table title and description. You can show or hide front-end appearances of table titles and descriptions. Customize comparison rows according to your need. You can edit comparison row text and row type from the drop-down menu. You can hide any row if you want. Rearrange comparison rows and even delete some if you need. You can overwrite your selected products info as well. Set some custom review and features of your products. In the Show More options, set feature text, primary color, and secondary color for a specific product you want to highlight. Let's preview to see the differences. You can also highlight any product if you want. Add custom CSS to give your table more attractive look. In the Settings tab, followed by the Appearance settings, you can customize your button appearances. That's how AzonPress helps you make a good-looking comparison table. There are lots of other features available in AzonPress. To know more about AzonPress, visit AzonPress documentation from our website. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of our YouTube channel for more tutorials and pro tips.